mentioned A about B seems to be your DV then IB, isn't it? So I don't know what is A. We shall see shortly. I don't know why A is there, right? So we shall see shortly whether it's relevant or not. I think what you need to add is also give somebody your contact, right? Your email of one person in case they want to clarify, right? You don't need to, I mean, you can protect your privacy, but you give your email, maybe your name, maybe up to you lah. You don't give full name, you give English name, what is surname lah, anything lah, right? But the email one email should be there lah, in case they want to clarify. Okay, scroll. So I presume this is your filter question lah. Do you need to specify that they are Malaysians or not? You have to think back of your 3.1. Did you say they must be Malaysians? Then what question are you going to ask? Construct the question. Normally, sorry? I'm trying to approve your question now, so give me the complete one. No, this is okay. I mean another filter question. So, sorry? Yeah, I want to know the exact question because your student, sometimes form statement also the statement all broken in English.
Are you from Malaysia? Yes or no?
Are you from Malaysia? Are you sure? You see?
Are you a citizen?
We know your intent. I know your intention, but the problem, the sentence can come up very problematic. So you don't want me to hold you back for 1 week, right? Just to ask you that question. So can you give me the proper sentence so I can approve it?
讲过你是不是 Malaysian？
Where they from? What's Malaysia?
You don't understand. I want the question itself. I want to approve the actual question. I know what all of us know what is the objective of the question. Can you form that question? Come on, I just want a very simple thing, isn't it? Yeah, all of us know what is it about. I just want it in a question
一个
for
formal 的句子。
Are you a Malaysian citizen?
again.
Are you a Malaysian citizen?
So you want to make sure only citizens.
Yes.
Because you just want citizens, so okay, you read in. So I don't know what A is about. Really, A is. Are you going to your objective? Your IB, DV got A or not? So what is the purpose of A?
Asking they got any program.
Is it necessary or not? Are you going to later test the relationship based on this data? Test the relationship means will it go into your software and then you test for positive or negative relationship? Yes or no? You should know, you wrote your chapter 1 to 3 already. What is your variable about? Are you going to test all these things as part of your regression? You see your model specification 3.2, isn't it? All these things got go into the model or not? F or no? No. So what is the purpose of this study? I make it easy for you, it serves no purpose. So no purpose, don't waste people's time. As simple as that. Right now, okay? Because you will lengthen the questionnaire and you don't need it, right? No, that's not your study, but your study is not various, isn't it? So why are you asking this? It will go nowhere into the software. You understand? Okay? So let's delete part A and carry on. Okay. Again up there, sorry. Okay. Start. Before making a what decision? Should be what? What decision?
Buying insurance.
decision, right? Maybe to terminate, right? Right, now you're not clear. Carry on. Again, number 4, same thing, a decision. You know what decision, right? Carry on. I mean, generally the question are not wrong, but again, when I say okay, it's because it's not wrong. But you have to think about the funnel, broad to narrow. So if your question all flat one, I mean, I can still approve, but when I evaluate, I will say like the question has, it's all asking the flat thing, you're just rephrasing. There are different marks that go to the question. But technically, nothing is wrong. You understand what I mean, right? But it's a matter of, are you asking any deeper or more informative, or you're just asking, have you bought, I have bought, the kind of thing, you're playing around with the words. That part is up to you to control. Okay, right? Next. Up again, this is what optimism, right? Some more. So again, as I say, I look at the question is correct or not, right? But the final thing is up to you to control, right? But the question technically looks correct, right? Okay, carry on. The number 2, you have to be a bit more specific, because it can be anything, isn't it? It's very broad, isn't it? You're not referring to insurance at all. Okay, so you might want to narrow it down to opinions about insurance. Okay, number 3. Again, same thing. Otherwise, it can be too broad. So you might want to add in about insurance rather than, it can be anything. 3 and 4, right? Same with number 5, right? Carry on. Add in something about insurance. Carry on. Okay, carry on. Some more. Number 3, too general. Again, the insurance word is not there. Number 5. Okay, right, carry on. Some more. Number 5, too general. Any program. Carry on. Okay, you tell me what is wrong with the options given for age. What is wrong? Group members, think about it. Which one is problematic? Huh? No, the question is age. It cannot go any wrong than that. I'm saying the options you're giving. Why is the problem?
Below 18 years old cannot buy insurance.
Who say cannot?
What is the minimum? Because you open to all type of insurance, isn't it? What is the minimum age to buy insurance? 51? Are you sure you learn what financial planning is at 51? No, I need a confirmation. This part is, it will reflect your knowledge. What age minimum? Ask ChatGPT, I don't know ChatGPT can answer you. No? Anybody? Come on, speed up the process. Represent PFP, isn't it? Right? A different age for different policies. So what could be the latest age? I just recovered, my family just recovered. Don't give us wrong. You want a mask? Seriously?
My safe one.
You interviewed your virus, I really was seriously on the change location. I don't want to force it. Okay, we make it 16, right? So just don't have the below thing, start with 16, okay? And then why you stop at 45? You're saying anybody after 45, oh, you say no. You don't need a further breakdown. I'm saying your breakdown is too, I mean your where you end is too narrow, like as if after 45 nobody, everybody you're old already now. They're no longer relevant. Do you understand what I'm saying? Your age is very, where you stop is very narrow. Okay, right, carry on. India. Others don't need to let them fill in anything, just others only, don't need to fill in. Don't want to have open-ended question. Number 1, number 2, then number 2 again, you see all this little anything, right? Why must have number? Others don't have number, it's not, isn't it? What is a general employee?
Number of the year.
Then public servants, public enterprise employees, they were not normal. Huh? So what is number 2? Because 3, 4 already mentioned the type of employee, isn't it? So number 2 is what? How general is general? Is it relevant? Is it necessary?
Number 2 should be unemployed.
Oh, unemployed. Oh, unemployed is called general employee.
English not so good. General employee should be unemployed.
And the last one also you can revise, why must be public, private, enterprise employee. So please find the right word. Grammar also got problem, is it? Second one is just one person, the last one is plural. I don't know why is it so difficult. You can easily get from a standard questionnaire and copy, isn't it? With the right grammar and everything. I mentioned this part don't go and try to create yourself. You see, all the grammatical problem will come out. Okay? Right. Carry on. And no need others, as I say, I don't want open-ended at all. Okay? Malaysia, we use high school or not? Huh?
No. Secondary school.
Secondary school and below. Okay, carry on. This one, can they pick more than one place? The options, do you allow them? I think yes, isn't it? This square means can pick more than one place, right? But more of my concern is why your demographic question are so short. That's why I say, I noticed, I only found out from one student recently. Every part 5 marks, so I put 5. And in lecture, if you remember, I clearly say, I highlight this problem. I said, I don't understand why the students, I asked them to refer to journal. Journal got very long one, isn't it, this part? So I don't know, I said, take everything that is relevant to Malaysia, but I don't know why you're shortening it. Until one student said, because everything 5, so this is 5. I never say that. I said, take everything that is relevant. So please don't extend it. Your demographic is too limited. but you do it on your own, right? But make sure it's relevant to relations. Okay? So I think there are no major issue. You can do your amendment, then you can go proceed pilot study, then release it. Okay? Can I see your 3.5? Your right up? Just ignore a lot of all these strange calls. Stop. Will you answer every random call? Very dangerous, right?
Use Truecaller.
No, Truecaller, I think they also say something very fishy about Truecaller. Truecaller is the one that exposes you more to risk.
If you pay for it, it's very good, Truecaller.
Every day there's all this kind of, I don't think I'm so famous, right? Everybody call me, oh, you want another lecturing position? I don't think so, right? So the A one you can remove, you revise after our amendment now. So same thing, the screening question also we added something, so you have to update, right? Carry on. So the A I skip, we go to B. Carry on. So the demographic also you have to update. Okay, right. So I guess the author followed, pay attention in lecture, all the important things are there, which is good. Okay, so 3.6 next week, right? Update me when you do your pilot. So not possible. You write the concept first, right? Or did already, past tense already, or?
But this one is I put a summary paper for like this one.
Everything right present tense, we don't use past tense. Right? Okay, so next week I will see your 3.6 and depends on what I cover this week. Alright, okay, good job. Right. So next group please, who wants to go next?
Okay, what?